Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix quick setting not working in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here edit group policy. You can see here edit group policy. Click on this. In this you select administrative templates. Then double click on start menu and taskbar. Here you search remove notification and action center. You can see here remove notification and action center. Double click on this. If you select enable or disable, you should select not config. Then click on OK. After that, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window, then restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix quick setting not working problem in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.